So it's finally happened. I moved. I have a new garage, and obviously I have to reprogram my garage door opener. It's a custom device, and so it's a little different, and I'll show you how it's done. The first step is going to be getting the box out of the vehicle, opening it, and getting access to the buttons. Since the remote runs off the car battery, we have to turn on the SwitchPOD circuit to run continuously. Next, we can set the garage door opener itself into learning mode. It is important to note here that mine has the yellow Learn button. Now, press the program button on the remote. The LED will turn a solid blue. Since I have the yellow Learn button, I need to press the button 8 times. My button must have broken during the soldering process. Yours might still work, so I will simply connect and disconnect the bypass 8 times instead. Then everything gets put back together where it belongs. The sPOD phone app is a bit finicky, so I haven't been able to revert the switch back to momentary mode. If this happens to you, be sure to turn the switch off again after using it. Otherwise, the remote will drain your battery.